Hi, this is Harry at Hillcrest Ace Hardware, and today I'm going to tell you about chemical-free cleaning in your home using the revolutionary ECloths. Using the ECloth, it is possible to keep your home clean and healthy using just the cloth and water. No more cleaning chemicals. The best microfiber cloths on the market have between 90,000 and 200,000 fibers per square inch. The ECloth have over 3 million fibers per inch. Why is this important? Because microfiber cloths don't absorb anything. Water, dirt, oil, grease, grime, and even bacteria are trapped within the fibers of the cloth. So the more fibers you have, the better the cloth works. Think of it as millions of tiny hands grabbing onto everything on the surface of your countertop or sink. The ECloth is also proven to remove over 99% of bacteria from a hard surface. These cloths don't kill bacteria, they collect bacteria from surfaces. The fibers literally scrape the surface clean at a microbial level. The best part is when you run this cloth under hot water in your sink. That bacteria, dirt, oil, and grease is released from the cloth and goes down the drain. So there is virtually no transfer back to clean surfaces. ECloth is a great solution for the toughest cleaning challenges, including windows, stainless steel surfaces, bathrooms, and kitchens. The ECloths are also a great choice for the environment, as ECloths come with a 300 wash guarantee. Do your daily cleaning with the ECloth and rinse that cloth out in the sink under hot water. Then once a week, wash the cloth with your regular wash and they are ready for another week of cleaning. If you wash the cloth once each week, the cloths are guaranteed for about 6 years of cleaning. Think about how many paper towels, wipes, spray cans, and bottles of chemicals you will throw away in 6 years. A question we get from customers is, why are there so many different cloths? The reason is that each of the cloths has been developed for absolute optimum performance for a specific purpose. 2 examples. While the general purpose cloth will clean baths well, the extra absorbency and surface area of the bathroom cloth gives a more thorough clean with less effort. Used dry, the general purpose cloth attracts dust and is an effective duster, but the dusting cloth is more effective, holding more dust and releasing gathered dust more effectively. Right now, your local Ace Hardware store has a special on ECloths, saving you $2 to $5 per cloth through the end of January. And that's been your Ace Hardware Project of the Week.